Good morning, students. Today we will start with a new topic, that is alphanumeric series. So there are basically five types of alphanumeric series. First one is alphanumeric series plus symbolic series. Second one is alphanumeric series. Third one is digit based series. Fourth one is letter based series. And fifth one is step based series. So the first four types are seen in prelim as well as the main exams. But fifth type is you can only see that type of question in the mains exams. Okay. You need to know some of the basic words here. One is ascending or increasing order, meaning smaller to larger value. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, so on. Then descending or decreasing order means larger to smaller value. Okay, like 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Rest all the letters are called as consonants. Now, in question, sometimes the word comes like preceded by. Preceded by means before the element. Okay. Immediately preceded by means just before the element. Second is followed by. Followed by means after the element. Okay. Uh, Similarly, like immediately followed by is us, then it will be just after the element. Element can be combination of letters, symbols, digits, etc. It can be anything. Okay. So that is element. It is the combination of all these things. Then, so this is preceded by and followed by. Okay. Now, another important tip and trick in alphanumeric series is that in the questions they ask which of the following element is seventh to the right of the fifth letter from the left end. So this is the question asked. So there left, right, right, left, that logic happens. So you need to remember one tip and trick here. That is first one is if it is left, left or right, right. Okay. If it is same, then you need to subtract. Okay. You need to subtract. Okay. I'll teach you um, in the questions how to solve that, but you need to remember if it is left left, right right, means if it is same, then you need to subtract. Okay. If it is left right or right left, okay, you need to add. Addition is done. Okay, this is the trick you need to remember. Okay. Okay, the first question is, this is the series given to you. So first we will solve. This is the series given to you. So this is alphabet based series, only alphabet based series. So this is the first type. Okay. B S M Q U A M H J S D K R E N Z R S I K O. This is the alphabet series given to you. So this is the extreme left and this is the extreme right that you need to know. First question under that is, which of the following is the fifth to the left of 11th letter from the left end? So just now I told you that this type of questions appears usually in the competitive exams. Okay. So what is the tip and trick I had told you? So first, see what is given. Fifth to the left they have given. So left is asked and again left is asked. Correct? So when it is left, left, same. Then you need to what? You need to subtract. Okay? So 11 minus 5 will give you 6. Correct? Sixth, from which end they have asked? From, you need to know. From the left end. So sixth from the left end. This is left end, this is right end. Okay. From the left end they have asked. So sixth from the left end will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A. A is positioned sixth from the left end. So A is the answer to that question. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following element is 7 to the right of the fifth letter from the left end? So here what is there? Right is given and left is given. Correct? So if it is different, right and left are two different. So if it is different, then you need to add. What you need to add? 7th and 5th. So 7 plus 5 will give you 12. But from what end? From the left end. Itself in the question, whatever they ask from, okay, from the left end or from the right end, from there you need to count. Okay. So here from the left end, 12th. Okay, 12th from the left end you need to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is K. Okay, so K is the correct option. C is the correct option. Okay. Next question. If the following series all vowels are deleted, then which letter is ninth from the right end? So just now I told you what are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So they have said that if all the vowels are deleted from the above given series, okay, then which letter is ninth from the right end? So from the right end. So don't keep on deleting all the vowels from starting. So what they have asked, we want the letter, ninth letter from the right end, correct? So from the right end only you start. But in the mind itself, you keep deleting the vowels, okay, in the given series. Now O is the vowel, correct? So I'll start with K, 1, okay? I is vowel. So this is deleted, correct? So deletion you have to do in the mind. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 is, ninth position is S. So S is the correct option. Okay. So you need to don't use pen and pen also. Okay. The question appears on your computer screen or manually they can give you the paper for competitive exams, correct? Don't use the pen, okay, on the screen. Just do the use your observation skills. That will be faster for solving alphanumeric series or even coding and decoding type of questions. Okay, just observe the questions and try to do it in your mind without using the pen. Okay, that will faster you'll get the answer. Next question. How many letters are immediately followed by vowels? So just now I told you what is followed by you'll get in the question or preceded by you'll get in the question. Immediately followed by means just after the vowels How many letters are there? Okay, they have asked that. So see in the series. This is one letter, okay? Q after Q. Immediately it is followed by a vowel, correct? So this is one, okay? Then this is two, then this is three, then this is four, correct? And this is five. So how many letters are there which are immediately followed by vowels? Five. Okay. I am using pen just to teach you all. Okay. If it's on the screen, then please I suggest don't use the pen. Use your observation skills to answer the questions at a faster rate. Okay. In the following series, if repeated letters are deleted, then which letter is third from the right end? So, if repeated letters are deleted, now repeated letters are what here? S is a repeated letter, correct? M is the repeated letter, correct? Don't do like that. What they have asked. If repeated letters are deleted, then which letter is third from the right end? We need from right, we need the third, correct? Now see if O is repeated. O is repeated in the series? No. So we can consider that. Check if K is repeated in the series. Yes, K is repeated in the series. So you need to delete that in the mind. So this is 1. Okay. This is deleted. I is repeated in the series? No. So consider that as the second one. Now we want third from the right end. Check. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay. Check if S is repeated. S is repeated. Okay. That you need to delete. R is repeated. Yes, R is repeated. That you delete. This is the third position. So what we need? Third from the right end. Correct? This was 1. Okay. This is 2. And this is 3. Rest all are repeated letters. So this way you need to solve. Okay. So D is the correct option. Second type of question. Now this is the series given to you. Okay. 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. This is the series given to you. Okay, this is full series. So this is the digit based series, you can say. Okay. So first question under that, which of the following digit is sixth to the left of 10th from the right end? So here left is there, correct? And then what is there? Right is there, correct? Left, right. So when it is different, what we need to do? We need to add, correct? And when it is same, we need to subtract. So this is different here, so we need to add. So 6th and 10th you need to add, which will give you 16, correct? From which end they have asked? From the right end, correct? So from the right end, which is 16th from the right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 2 is the correct option. D is the correct option. Okay. Next. How many 2's are there in the given series which are followed by a number less than 6? You need to find out 2's, okay, which are followed by a number less than 6. So less than 6 can be what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. So if you see, only target on 2. Okay, 2 followed by a number, but it should be less than 6. So this can be 1. Okay, this cannot be. Then where is 2? This can be. Okay, then this can be, so in the option you see more than 2 is there, so I already got 3, so just go and mark the D as the option. Okay, no need to solve everything, more than 2 you are already getting. Okay, so this D is the correct option. Next question, what will be the addition of fifth, 7th and 10th digits from the left end? So from the left end we need fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So at fifth position 4 is there. 4. Then at 7th you have 2. Okay. And at 10th you have 5. So you need to add. Correct. So 4 plus 2 plus 5 will give you 11. So B is the correct option. Okay. Next. If all the perfect square digits are removed from the given series, then which of the following will be the fifth to the right of sixth from the left end? Okay. What are perfect squares? 25 is the square of 5. 36 is the square of 6. So these are all perfect squares. Okay. Perfect cubes, if you say, then 27 is the cube root of what? 3. 8 is the cube root of 2. So these are the perfect cubes. So you need to know perfect squares from 1 to 50 and perfect cube from 1 to 20 for all types of competitive exams. Okay. So if here perfect squares are removed, okay. So in the mind only, while you're solving the question, you need to remove that perfect squares. Okay. What is asked here is right and left is given. So when there is different, you need to add. Correct. So fifth 5 plus sixth. So 5 plus 6 is 11. From which end they've said? From the left end. So you need to start from the left end. Okay. 11th you want. And you need to remove what? While you're solving this, you need to remove the perfect squares. Okay. 1, 2. See, 1 is also a perfect square. So 1 also needs to be removed. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 2 is the correct option. Okay. 2 is the correct option. Next question under this. How many odd numbers are there in the given series which are immediately followed by a perfect square digit? How many odd numbers are there in the given series which are immediately followed by a perfect square digit? Odd number is this. Is it followed by a perfect square digit? Yes, because 1 is also a perfect square. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, If you do like that, you'll get the wrong answer because they have said odd numbers which are immediately followed by the perfect square digit. So it will be 1, okay, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 is the correct option. Okay, 7 is the correct option, that is C is the correct option. Third question is based on alphanumeric, alpha and number series. Okay, first question here. How many digits are there in the above arrangement which is immediately followed by vowel? Okay, so they have asked digits which is immediately followed by vowel. So only go target on digits. It's a followed by vowel, no. Followed by vowel, no. Followed by vowel, yes. Followed by vowel, no. You're also no. You're also no. You're also no. So only one is there. So one is the correct option. Okay. Next. If all the vowels are deleted from the above arrangement, then which of the following letter or digit is 10th to the left of 5th from the right end? Left, right is given. So different. So different meaning you need to add. So add 10 plus 5, that is 15. 15 from which end they was? From the right end. And vowel should be deleted. Okay, that you keep in mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 15 from the right end is 4. Okay. So 4 is the correct option. Here vowel was only A, that you need to delete from the mind and move on. Okay. So 4 is the correct option. Next. Which of the following letter or digit is 7th to the right of 13th from the right end? So what is done here? Right and right. Subtraction will be done. So 13 minus 7 will be, answer will give you J. Okay, that is from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 6 we have J. Okay, 13 minus 7 will be 6. And sixth position is J from the right end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So J is the correct option. Okay, J is the answer, but in the options you are not getting J, so none of this is the correct option. Okay. Next, how many consonants are there in the above arrangement which is immediately preceded by consonant and immediately followed by vowel? So here we need to focus on consonants which is immediately preceded by consonant and immediately followed by vowel. So wherever we encounter digit, we need to uh, delete them from our mind. Okay. So here it's not possible. Here it's not possible. Here also it is not possible. Okay. Here you see in this MCI, it is immediately preceded by a consonant, immediately followed by a vowel. So this is one. Okay. Where else can you see that? This is one thing. This is the second one. This is immediately. Okay, so this, but this can't be because U is a vowel, correct? Then where else you can see that? Here you can see this GBA. This is a consonant, correct? So it is immediately preceded by a consonant, immediately followed by a vowel. Okay. Anywhere else you can see that pattern? I think so, no. So 2 is the correct option. Okay. One is this MCI. Okay. And GBA. Okay. This can't be because U is a vowel. Here they have asked how many consonants. Okay. Next, which of the following element is exactly between B and 2 in the given arrangement? So where you can see B here, here is B, correct? And here is 2. So just write that part below here. Whatever is there, B, A, 9, F, S, W, 2 is given. So they have asked what is exactly between B and 2, correct? So exactly between B and 2 is F. Okay, because exclude this B and 2. Okay, exclude this. So you have 2 here left, here you have 2. So F should be in the middle. So exactly between they have asked B and 2. So F is the correct option. Okay, because before F you have 2 A B. Sorry, A9 is there. And after F you have SW. So two gaps is there, correct? So F is the correct option. B is the correct option. Okay. Then fourth type of question. This sometimes they ask. Okay. Find the missing element in the given series. Okay. Missing element you need to answer. So this is the series given to you. A B D E F H I J L M N P Q R T. What is next? These are the four options given to you. So here see what is happening in this. A, B, C is missing, D is coming, correct? Then here you see E, F, G is missing, H is coming. So similarly, that pattern is going on. So, okay. So here you see in this options, X, Y, Z is there. Continuously it is there, so this can't be. Okay. Okay. So this is the correct option. You can see U, V, W is missing. After that X comes. Similar to this pattern, correct? So this is the is coming. E, F, G is missing, H is coming. After H you have I only. H, I, J, K is missing, L is coming. L, M, N, O is missing, P is coming. After P you have Q. Q, R, S is missing, T is coming. So after T you need U. Okay. U, V. Okay. U, V. W should be missing. X should be coming. So this is the correct option. Okay. D is the correct option. Thank you, students.